How to fix Clapper application not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Clapper app is not working, it might be due to device settings, app bugs, or connectivity issue. So if that's the case, here is what can be done. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure you have Wi-Fi which is stable and has strong signal. If not, you can switch to mobile data and confirm you have sufficient data as well as strong network coverage. Sometimes the issue could be because of the background application, so make sure to close all the background apps and reopen and restart the app. This will refresh the session and the app should work. Moving on with the next step, long press the app and go to app info. Head over to the storage and cache and then clear the cache. After that, head over to the Play Store or App Store to search for Clapper app and update it. However, sometimes the issue could also be from the clapper's end. In that case, you'll have to check for the official social media and website for updates about server outages or maintenance and wait if it is the case. So this is how you can fix the Clapper app not working. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.